The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape is a popular personal finance book that provides practical advice and strategies for managing money, achieving financial security, and building wealth. The book is aimed at everyday Australians but contains principles that can be applied by anyone looking to take control of their finances. In this summary, we'll explore the key concepts and takeaways from the book. Introduction. Scott Pape, also known as the Barefoot Investor, begins the book by sharing his personal journey and financial philosophy. He advocates for a simple and straightforward approach to money management that is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. The Barefoot Steps. The core of the book revolves around a set of steps designed to guide readers on their financial journey. Create a bucket system. Pape introduces the idea of creating separate bank accounts, or buckets, for different financial purposes. These buckets include everyday spending, bills, and savings. Set up your Mojo account. The Mojo account is an emergency fund that covers at least 3 months' worth of living expenses. It acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses. Domino your debts. Pape advises tackling high-interest debts, such as credit card debt, aggressively. He recommends using the domino method, where you pay off your smallest debts first and then roll the payments into larger debts. Buy your home. The book emphasizes the importance of home ownership as a cornerstone of financial security. Pape provides tips on saving for a home deposit and selecting the right mortgage. Supercharge your wealth. Pape discusses the significance of superannuation, retirement savings, and provides advice on how to choose the right super fund and investment options. Boost your Mojo to 3 months. After paying off high-interest debts, the next goal is to increase your Mojo account to cover 3 months of living expenses. Grow your wealth. Pape introduces the concept of investing and explains various investment options, including shares and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. He encourages readers to start investing in a diversified portfolio. Buy a home to live in. Pape advises readers to buy a home to live in before considering investment properties. He provides guidance on how to make a wise property purchase. Splurge occasionally. The book promotes the idea that it's essential to enjoy your money along the way and not just focus on saving and investing. Pape recommends allocating a portion of your income for guilt-free spending. Leave a legacy. Pape discusses the importance of estate planning, including creating a will and ensuring that your loved ones are financially protected in case something happens to you. The Barefoot Investor for families. In addition to the 10 steps, the book includes a section specifically tailored to families. Pape provides advice on how to involve children in financial discussions, set up a family financial calendar, and teach kids about money management from an early age. Additional tips and strategies. Throughout the book, Pape shares numerous practical tips and strategies for improving your financial situation. He advocates for automatic payments and direct debits to ensure that bills are paid on time. Pape emphasizes the importance of setting clear financial goals and regularly reviewing your progress. He encourages readers to negotiate better deals on their financial products, such as insurance and utility bills. The book provides guidance on building a diversified investment portfolio and avoiding common investing mistakes. Pape emphasizes the significance of taking control of your superannuation and choosing the right investment options. Key takeaways. Simplify your finances. The Barefoot Investor approach simplifies money management by breaking it down into manageable steps and separate accounts for different purposes. Build an emergency fund. Having a robust emergency fund, Mojo account, is essential to weather unexpected financial storms. Pay off high-interest debts. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts to free up more money for saving and investing. Invest for the future. Learn about investing and start building wealth through a diversified portfolio. Balance enjoyment and saving. It's important to strike a balance between saving and enjoying your money. Teach financial literacy. Involve your family in financial discussions and teach your children about money management. Plan for the long term. Estate planning is a critical aspect of financial security. Conclusion. The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape offers a straightforward and actionable guide to managing your finances, paying off debt, building wealth, and securing your financial future. Pape's 10-step approach, along with his practical tips and strategies, has resonated with readers seeking financial stability and success. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to improve your financial situation, this book provides valuable insights and a roadmap to achieve your goals.